We absolutely love seeing your success stories, and so my action step for you guys this week is kind of a little confident booster to everybody. Is just we want you guys to share your stories a little bit more this week. If you have a shirt that sells X amount of times, like we want you guys to post that stuff. If you're out and about talking to people and some opportunity comes up, like we just want to hear about how you guys are having success, what your success looks like, and really if there's anything else we can do to help you guys. We're trying to hit a lot of different things and try to teach you guys kind of a wide span. But knowing what you guys are having success with like helps us understand like, okay, we taught it this way and maybe you caught it, but because everyone learns differently and sometimes people need to hear things multiple times, we want to be able to like go back and teach on that a little bit deeper or clear it or even teach it in a different way, clarify it, things like that. So
yeah, I thought it was very interesting when Stephanie came on and she said some stuff that we were talking about for the last, I don't know how many weeks. And then people were messaging her and saying, oh, I finally got what they were talking about when you said it. And it is kind of weird. And I see that a lot. Like when I'm teaching people, it's something, it doesn't click. But then when somebody else says it, it clicks. Or it's even vice versa. Like if I hear you saying something over and over and over again, and then as soon as I say it, then they get it. It's something about that. Like you just need a different point of view or just said slightly different to where the light bulb goes off. And I think having this group and having this community and seeing people say, oh, like Christine who said, hey, I was at the hospital and I just was asking this person and this is what came out of it. It makes it more relatable to go, oh, it's not just those two guys doing it. Like I see more people are doing it. So I know this is a real thing. And I think that's where my passion comes from, is because of all the things that we have failed at. And we're finding success and helping people, and I get to see all the people we're helping, and the group necessarily doesn't see all that. It's hard to like, when I'm going, yeah, you can do this, and this, and people are looking at me like, he's all over the place, man. Like I'm stuck here. How come I can't get past this point? We try to do everything we can to make it so you're not stuck. That's why we kind of give the action steps, so we're pushing you all the time. But more interaction from you guys, even if you say, oh, this is just a small thing, I finally get my first third sale, that's a huge impact on somebody else that hasn't had any sales yet.
Right.
No matter where you're at in the chain. I mean, I talk about this more in like the masterminds and stuff that I do, but I almost see it as like we're all climbing up a mountain. I am reaching up in front for people that are farther than me. They're helping me up. So I'm reaching back and helping people behind me up more. But I can't necessarily reach all the way back to a person that hasn't sold any shirt and doesn't even know like how to do a listing. I've done everything I can to help them, but me trying to yell down to them, they can't hear me. But somebody that's just got their first sale, it's easy for them to go, hey, I just got my first sale, do like this. And then it's so much more encouraging that everybody can start moving up the mountain.
Yeah, and again, we've seen that happen in our community, and we've had people like message us like, hey, us three have, been talking about this, and I've talked about one of your videos and fully understand it now. So we love just having that kind of success. And I remember I was doing merch by myself when I first started out, and I remember just like digging through Chris Green's group, just looking for people having success, and kind of what they were saying about it. So that stuff definitely does help. Like after you get your first t-shirt sale, then it kind of, things start clicking in your head like, oh, this worked, let me double down on that. But until you have those first sales or, whatever milestone you're trying to hit, it definitely helps to know that there are other people out there, especially in this group where we try to be, open and honest, of just people finding success and actually, hitting those milestones that they want and, are able to say, hey, I want to hit 500 in 6 months and see people do it. Like that's so encouraging, not only just for us, but we know for other people too, because they're telling. That is my action step for you guys this week, is just to be sharing what's working for you in the group. I'm excited to see what comes out of that. Anytime we ask you guys to do something like this, I feel like you guys kill it. And it is just a huge source of inspiration. So we're looking forward to that.